Hey guys, I'll show you step-by-step guide that how you can create a wish list in Shopify store without using any of the app. So let's see the wish list in action. We can see the heart icon in the navigation on the product page and also in the product cards. So if we add the product item into the wish list, you can see it is instantly right here. So we can remove it like this. And if we open the card drawer, you can see the currently wish list is empty. If we add this into the wish list, you can see it is loading the items that are present in the wish list. So let me add few more items. You can see this black gray t-shirt. So if we open this one, you can see that two items are in the wish list. So we can also share this wish list with the loved ones. For example, a wife can share the wish list with the husband, and also some uh, other person can share the wish list with their loved ones. For example, if I click on this icon, you can see I have copied the link, and the other, for suppose the I share this link with the with one person, and he or she opens the um, link in their store, mobile, or computer. You can see the wish list is automatically loaded. So this is the feature that I've created without using any of the app. So let me show you how we can create this. In the first step, you have to go to the uh, themes in the Shopify themes, and here you can go to edit code, and this panel will open, and you have to create a section named as easy-wish.liquid. In the sections, you can create the easy-wish.liquid and paste the content right here. And similarly, go to the next step, create the snippet easy-wish.liquid. In the snippets folder, you can create this one and copy the code from the step 2 and paste it right here. And similarly, you can go to the step 3 and create the asset. In the assets folder, you have to create the easy-wish.js and copy the content right from here and paste it here. And similarly, easy-wish.css in the assets folder, I am creating this one right now and copy and paste it right here. And similarly, go to the en.default.json in the locales folder. You can see if I go to the locales, we can see en.default.json, and right after the initial curly bracket at the top, you can see right here we have to paste the content, this one, and into theme.liquid in the layout folder, you have to search for the closing body tag, control or command F, and paste this. You can see closing body tag, and copy this and paste it right here. And in this way, you can implement this easy wish list that is shareable with any of your friends without using any of the app. And if you need any of the help regarding this implementation, you can reach out me on my WhatsApp, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.